Well, hey everybody, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I know everybody's still stressed out, stuck in the house. There's got to be a way we all get over this. You know what I mean? Just try to keep your mind in a positive headspace and again, make sure you're washing your hands and surfaces. So guys, today I've got all of the spoilers to the April BoxyCharm base box, and I do have a couple of new spoilers for the April premium box, and then I have a possible future sneak peek. So if you're excited for this video, y'all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified. You don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was all kinds of updates for BoxyCharm. Thank you so much, Alicia Martinez. Alicia says, hey! Well, hey girl, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're trying to stay busy and stuff. And I really appreciate you coming and watching my video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first I'm going to show you all these April base box spoilers. Now here it is, and of course you know you can't see everything on this because it's so little, but I do have them close up for you. Alright guys, so you've already seen what we already had available. If you haven't seen the rest of the spoilers, I'll put a video link down below, that way you can go and check every one of them out. But now the new ones that we have just found out about, and this was earlier today. The first thing is the Tony Moly I'm Real sheet masks. Now there are different kinds of them. There is I'm Lotus, I'm Cactus, and I'm Hemp. So here is the Element Superfood Sika, I think, Calm Hydration Juice, and that one we have seen. Makeup Eraser Sunset Makeup Eraser Cloth. And then there is the Lavish Beauty 5-piece brush set. And then, of course, we have the Benefit Professional Primer. Now, there is two different ones. There's the hydrating one, and there's also the original one. So, if you're dry skin, you're more likely getting the hydrating one. And then, of course, the Iconic London Illuminator Drops. So, those, again, now we have seen a couple of those, but a couple of those are new. And again, if you want to check out every spoiler for the April base box, I'll link that video down below, guys. Now let's go ahead and name off the new premium spoilers. Now this again is for the April premium box. So the first thing is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. And then the IGK Good Behavior, what is that, Spirulina, something like that, Protein Smoothing Spray. So again, I've got more spoilers for the premium. Those videos will be linked below and labeled so you know which ones if you want to check each one out. And now for the possible future spoiler. Alright guys, so they had this up on the Instagram. It is the Glow Recipe Avocado Sleeping Mask. Now, it is not confirmed exactly which box it's going to be in. So it could be in the base box, the premium box, or it could be in the Boxy Luxe box. We don't know. But as soon as they confirm it, we find those details out, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Another thing, guys, here is the free gifts that you can choose in between if you do subscribe to BoxyCharm. And there is a link below for you to go do so. Just make sure you pick one of these gifts, guys. So the first thing is free gift you could choose from is either the Violet Voss Sugar Crystals Eyeshadow Palette. You could choose that or the Symbiosis Face Serum. And again, that is for new subscribers. And also, if you canceled before March 1st, you can go ahead and sign back up and grab one of those gifts. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Kelly Knight. Kelly says, thank you, beautiful. Much love from Canada. Stay safe. Kelly, honey, I really appreciate that, honey. I really do. And thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I hope everything is good in Canada, hun. And I hope you're not going too stir crazy. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below. That might get you a shout out. And guys, please double check and make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people for no reason at all? If you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.